In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use an add-on called Tissue to create complex objects fast. Go to Edit, Preferences, and Add-ons. Look for Tissue and activate it. Also, look for Extra and activate both add-ons. Create a honeycomb mesh. Please match my settings. We need to remove some vertices to get a seamless result. Undo, because we need to have the top part. Create a cube. Select the source mesh, shift-select the target mesh, go to Edit, Tissue Tools, press the Tessellate button and click OK. Let's make some more examples. Add loop cuts with Ctrl+R like this. Extrude these edges while holding Ctrl, so we can snap them to the grid. Remove this face. The Tissue Add-on's Tessellate feature basically replaces a face with the source mesh, so if we can have more faces like these to get more complex design result. The tessellate will work on any meshes. You can even make complex wavy patterns after extruding a plane and tessellate it as well. Experiment with this add-on any way you like. I'll set up the usual render scene with a light bouncing wall. Please watch a tutorial listed in the description to match my final render settings. We don't need 128 samples. Let's try with 32. This is the end of the tissue add-on tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Also, please remember to use the share button below to share this tutorial on social media. Thank you for watching.